Hello, this is Aniket Kumar and we are going to revise the Lakshmikant as a conceptual base. And we are going to first learn the President. Currently, President is Ramnath Kovind, sir. In this chapter, we will learn first election of President, Article 54 and 55. The President covers the Article 52 to 78 in Part 5th. Then oath, term of office, etc. And in this chapter we will also learn how the Indian president are different from American president. And also we will learn how president is different from governor. First, take the election of president. Election of president, Article 54 and 55. In Indian president system, president is not elected directly. First, understand what is directly and non-directly. Indian, there is non-directly, okay? And directly is like by people, which voting, like we are voting in the Lok Sabha Assembly, Vidhan Sabha Assembly, that is directly system. Non-directly, where we elect and those elected member voted, that is called non-directly. Means people are not directly participate in election of president. So there is a electoral college. In president election system, participation are first elected member of both house, elected member कौन होंगे? Elected member are MPs, member of parliament. There is Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. Elected member, elected, not nominated. Nominated member in Rajya Sabha, which are nominated by president. But in the election of president, there is only elected member of Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. Second, elected member of Legislative Assembly. Legislative Assembly means state assembly. जो विधानसभा के इलेक्शन होते हैं, मीन्स इलेक्शन ऑफ यूपी, the elected member or in the Vidhan Sabha or in Legislative Assembly, they are participant of Electoral College of President. Third are elected member of Delhi, Puducherry, means UT, they are UT, Delhi, Puducherry, and now Kashmir, Jammu and Kashmir, JNK. These are the participant of election of president, and they vote for the president election